All right, today we're going to bring an 8K fiber cable. Now, this was HDMI. It's 2.1. We're going to take a look at it and see how it works. But first of all, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, elegant connection HDMI. This is solid metal here. Now, they do give you a couple of options here for powering up the unit itself. All right, we're going to take a look at them and see what you get. All right, you get an HDMI to actually USB. All right, so if you have an 8K TV, which I don't, I have a 4K monitor that we're going to test it on. Certified cable, you guys can see ultra certified cable, HDMI in one end, display and source. They even tell you how to connect it, right? So you got your source and you got your display. We're going to connect this to a display. We're going to connect it to a source. So one important thing, if your device is not compatible with 2.1, they give you this 5-volt connection, all right? So you do have a USB to plug it in to give it the power. You have an interceptor to actually connect your HDMI, and then you actually connect the fiber connection here. So just to be aware that if you don't have the 2.1 compatibility, this is an option for those that have the older modules, older connections. All right, so for testing purposes, we are going to put this on display and we're going to connect an HDMI. This is the source of the system. We're going to have a docking station that we have set up. I successfully connected the fiber connection. All right, connecting to here without needing the power source, without needing this part. All right, it's connected to the actual monitor, a 4K monitor that we have. We're able to display the actual Steam Deck system in here. Now, the fiber connection, this is great for long distance, all right? If you have a room that's probably more than a couple feet, I mean, you lose quality, but with fiber, you don't lose anything. It's nice and sharp coming from the Steam Deck. I have my mouse and keyboard. Very good looking. I mean, if you're going to play PlayStation 5 with it, this is a great option to have. Now, like I said, if you don't have an older system, you could plug this in, all right? If it doesn't display, that's the only way. If it doesn't display anything or you get nothing, you add the option, all right? But this cable is really long. If your PlayStation is not near your TV and you want to extend the connection without losing the quality, easy to use. I'm actually using a Steam Deck just to demo the cable itself to my 4K monitor. It looks very sharp and crisp. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.